Hey guys, welcome to the Brand Creators. This is Sona Arosh and I'm going to help you grow your business like never before. So today I'm going to discuss something which is very simple but yet often neglected. So the topic is how to use Instagram hashtags effectively. So before discussing about how to use the hashtags, let's discuss about what are these hashtags. So hashtags to Instagram are like keywords to the search engine. Or you can say, like the way you put keywords in a website to make it visible on Google, similarly you put hashtags on an Instagram post to make it visible to the relevant audience. Think about how much time and effort you put in while creating a beautiful Instagram post and then you neglect putting the hashtags. So what happens is all your effort has gone in vain because nobody will be able to discover your post. So the question is, should you use hashtags? And the answer is absolutely yes, you should use hashtags for 3 reasons. First is, the use of relevant hashtags make your post discoverable. Let's say that I'm searching for a particular hashtag, let's say food photography. Okay, so I search the hashtag, I see about 52.9 million posts here. So I search for different posts and I see one of them very interesting, this one. So I see that this is the post of some account named Jasa Photo Jakarta. I click on the account and I see that they have posted a lot of similar interesting pictures. So I like the account and then I start following them. So this is how even when other people search for different hashtags and when you have put those hashtags in your post, so those posts get visible and ultimately the people might end up following you. So yes, hashtags are a great way to increase your Instagram followers. So the second reason is posts with more hashtags get more engagement. So the studies have shown that the posts which use at least one hashtag gets about 12.6% more engagement than the posts which have 0 hashtags. The third reason is it is easy to implement. Although it would require a little bit of effort to search the relevant hashtags, but once you have used the proper hashtags, it will definitely give a boost to your engagement and followers. Now that you know that hashtags are really important, you might be thinking what kind of hashtags to use for your brand. Okay, so now let's say you turn on to Google and search, for example, the top hashtags for photography. So you end up receiving a lot of search results showing a lot of top hashtags and you end up being confused on which ones to use. So the golden rule is being very relevant with your hashtags. So let's say that your brand is all about photography. So you should be very clear, is it food photography? Or is it travel photography, or is it fashion photography? So once you have decided on what category it is, you should go deeper. Like for example, if it is food photography, you should understand, is it comfort food, or is it junk food, or is it healthy food? So the deeper you go into, you will get a better hashtag and a more relevant one. So as I said, searching on Google would not be that easy. So I'll give you 2 easy ways to get the ideal hashtags for your brand. First is competition check and second is influencer check. So competition check, as the name suggests, you should keep a check on what kind of hashtags your competitor brands are using. Do not copy them, but you can always get an inspiration from them. And the second is influencer check. So you should always keep a note of what kind of hashtags are the influencers of your category using. So once you have identified the list of hashtags that you want to use, you just need to do one more thing. Just go onto your Instagram account and check for these hashtags if any inappropriate content is associated with these hashtags or not. Because there are a lot of Instagram spammers who would be using profane or vulgar images or posts associated with these hashtags. So you would obviously not want to use such kind of hashtags for your posts. So the next idea is creating your own hashtags. So there are many brands out there who create their own branded hashtags. So you also can do that and create your own unique hashtags. You can also encourage your users to use your branded hashtags to get your user generated content. So in order to do that, you just need to put those hashtags in your Instagram bio. So how many hashtags can you use on your Instagram post? So ideally, you can use about 30 hashtags for your post. But most of the marketers don't use 30 hashtags because they look a little cluttered and spammy. But actually, they are not spamming, because Instagram has allowed about 30 hashtags to be used on your Instagram posts. But I would recommend that if you're not using 30 hashtags, you should at least use 11 to 20 hashtags for your post. So here we have a bar chart showing the amount of engagement per 1,000 viewers based on the number of hashtags used. So if you're using no hashtags at all, only your followers must be seeing the post. And there also, the engagement might be only 18%. Likewise, you can see that if you're using 5 hashtags, you can get engagement to up to 43% per 1,000 viewers. And if you're using 11 hashtags, then the engagement will go up to 79.5% per 1,000 viewers. So this is why I said that you should be using at least 11 hashtags for your post. So let's now discuss what kind of hashtags to be used. So as I told you earlier, the ways to find hashtags, it's competition check and influencer check. But then getting 11 to 20 hashtags for your post might get a little bit difficult. So here I'll be telling you what kind of hashtags you can use and how to get 11 to 20 hashtags for your Instagram post. So in order to put in 11 to 20 hashtags for your post, firstly what you need to do is find 3 to 5 very popular hashtags in your category. That means that hashtag should have around 3 lakhs to 10 lakhs posts. Then find around 3 to 5 moderately popular hashtags from your category. That means the hashtag should have around 80,000 to 3 lakhs posts. Then find and use about 3 to 5 niche specific hashtags. That means what your post is exactly about. Lastly, add in 1 to 2 branded hashtags for showcasing your brand and to encourage your followers to use those hashtags. The next question is, where should you use your hashtags? Should you use it in your comments or should you use it in your captions? So the answer is you can use it in both places. So as I said earlier, you can use about 30 hashtags, but then many marketers feel that it looks cluttered and spammy, so they do not tend to use all the hashtags at one place. So rather than using the hashtags at different places, what you can do is just hide the hashtags from your post. So how you can do it is that write your caption, put some dots and then post your hashtags. So then what happens is when someone sees your post, they won't see the hashtags at all. So lastly, I would like to tell you about some universal hashtags which anyone will be able to use on their posts. So they are hashtag InstaGood, hashtag photo of the day, hashtag pic of the day, hashtag Instagrammers, hashtag iGirls, hashtag Wisdom Wednesday, etc. So you can use all of these hashtags irrespective of what category you are in. So the bonus tip of the day is engage with other posts. So let you be putting lot of Instagram pictures, using lot of Instagram hashtags, but end of the day, Instagram is a community where you need to engage and interact with others also. So frequently go and comment and interact with other people who are using the same hashtags as yours. So what happens is those people will also start following you back and get engaged with your post also. So now you know that hashtags are the mighty army of Instagram. So if you use these tips and tricks effectively, then you can get the most out of your hashtags on Instagram. So if you have liked the video and you think that the content was informative, do like the video, subscribe my channel and share with maximum people.